Hi everyone, Troy Memes here. We're back. And as you can tell by the title, the meme of the channel, microwaves have died. So, this is what I use for most of my videos, a microwave. So we cooked mac and cheese in it. We cooked toast in it, which, well, I almost burnt the house down. What was the other thing we did? Oh yeah, we, cooked ramen noodles, which, by the way, don't put plastic in a microwave. It doesn't end well. I forgot to take the wrapping off while I was making the video. Might have been a spark or two in the microwave. But, yeah. And then we trapped Santa in it, which I don't think much people have trapped Santa in a microwave. I don't think anybody have. I made history. But, it have died. It was dropped, and it have died. It's dead. It broke into pieces. We use this for so many videos, and all good videos. So here's a little video I made, to remember our good friend Microwave.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So, there's the video, everyone. So, 1 like equals 1 prayer for the microwave. So, very sad day. Very sad day. Yeah. Very sad day.